This is a very simple way of garnishing a plate of lamb chops. I've got some marinated lamb chop which I'm going to grill onto a flat griddle. You can use a non-stick pan or a flat tawa at home if you have, that's perfectly okay. But just make sure you heat up the pan first and then add in your marinated lamb chops and a small drizzle of vegetable oil. Now I have used red chili paste, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt and little garam masala to marinate the lamb chops. But I have given recipes in the past on my YouTube channel. You can have a look at those, or you can make some different variations with chopped green leaves in them, some rosemary. It works extremely well. But the most important thing is that you have to keep the lamb chops into marinade for a good 6 hours at least. You can use vegetables also like paneer or halloumi cheese, or boiled vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower. It works very well. Now once you grill them on one side, you flip it over. You have to ensure that each side is grilled till they are nice and brown. They have to get the nice kind of a barbecue feel to it. And when you cook them onto the non-stick pan or to the hot grill, it gives a very nice glaze. It also keeps your lamb chops juicy from the center. I like to have it literally medium, so slightly pink in the center. Let the lamb chops rest once they finally cook for a couple of minutes. Now to garnish the plate, I'm going to use some cumin potatoes, jeera aloo or jeera potatoes. Very simply, you have cumin seeds and boiled potatoes tossed with some salt and turmeric. It gives a very nice flavor to it. My personal preference is also some sliced lemon, lightly drizzled up with some lemon juice, some thick green chutney. Now this is a paste of coriander, mint and garlic to a very nice thick chutney, a wedge of lime, green lime, and the lamb chops. Now arrange the lamb chops in the center of the plate, just lightly overlapping the potatoes, and we garnish them with some black charcoal wheat crisp made out of whole wheat flour and garnished with some cress. Simple decoration, simple ideas, they always work well. Do try it at home, do your platings, and do let me know how it goes. So in the meantime, bon appetit, happy cooking, and happy plating.